Where will it be? Bob told me it would be here. There it is. Ho ho ho! This must be the magic machine that gives you infinite ice creams. I guess that if I go through the door, it will grant my wish too. I want 1,000,000 ice creams, please. Huh? Oh man, what a scam. Who are you? Hey, what are you doing?
Peaceful days are always the best ones. Huh? Hey, Bob. How you doing?
Jonny, this is crazy! There's a horde of bulldozers destroying the construction site!
A horde of bulldozers? What are you talking about?
I'm telling you, we need your help and quick!
Don't worry, Bob. I'll take care of this. I can't get in touch with him. Time for plan B.
Hi,
Hello?
Jonny!
Guys, there's something fishy going on with Bulldozer. Can you go to the city and investigate?
Of course!
Right away, boss!
Bulldozer, stop!
You'll have to be more specific.
This is a mess. We have to stop them both. Please, leave me alone! Hey, pick on someone your own size, big guy. Catch me if you can, Anima Snail.
Huh?
Hi! You'll have to do better than that, buddy. What?
Croco, move!
Whoa!
And now!
Huh? Whoa!
What happened? Where did they go?
Guys, you better take a look at this.
Help! Help!
This is a disaster.
What?
You know what to do, right?
Oh, yeah.
We'll just need a little boost. Hey, Batfly, how's the mission going?
You won't believe it, Jonny! Those bulldozers were cloned! We know how to defeat them, but I need a little help.
Say no more. It's power up time. With this, we'll be done in a jiffy.
Let's do this. That was the last clone left.
Yeah, but where is the real Bulldozer?
Hey, guys. Ouch!
What? I had to make sure he was the real one.
Anyway, the big guy has to answer a lot of questions.
It was this big weird machine that made clones. You'll see. No.
What's going on, Bill?
The machine is gone. It's disappeared.
Phew! When was the last time you took a bath, Crocodile? Cool. Here, Torch. Keep it so we can play with it later. Thanks, Crocodile. That was close. Thanks, Torch. You saved me. Demo Lizard is acting really weird. Have you seen his eyes? And why is he breaking all those streetlights? What's wrong, Torch?
When night comes and the whole city becomes dark, I can steal all of Katie's ice cream! Except the mint. Ugh, mint.
Where did she go? Torch, keep an eye out on Vicky, all right? While Torch finds Vicky, I will follow Demo Lizard's trail and stop him before he destroys the whole city. And I know exactly how. AnimaCars, we need the help of Tigers. Come on, Tigers. Let's get Demo Lizard. Woo! Tally-ho! Yikes! Shoot now! There. It's over, buddy. Huh? I think Vicky did something.
Oh, poor boy. I'll get you your favorite drink. As I always say, a caddy smoothie can cure anything.
Good to have you back, Demo Lizard. You were amazing, Tigers. Demo Lizard will stay with you in case something happens.
What are you gonna do, Johnny?
I need to stop Vicky before it's too late. Huh? Awesome. Where are you at? Okay, Tigers, let's go.
How about another smoothie, Demo Lizard?
Thanks to my hypnotic ray, that silly lizard broke all the streetlights in the city. And tonight, when everything is dark, all the ice cream will be mine.
I see. So we need to take a hold of that hypno gun. Okay, team, let's go.
It's Johnny and his anima brats. How did they find me? Well, it doesn't matter. No one can stop me. I thought I saw a pretty cat.
Tigers, no! Vicky shot her in the eyes and now she's hypnotized.
All the ice cream will be mine!
Okay, here's the plan. Wow, that was close. We need some help, some huge help. We need someone who can cover his eyes so Vicky can't hypnotize him. Whoa! And I know exactly who to call. AnimaCars, we need the help of Wheelphant. Hello, Wheelifant. Let's go save our friend. Just cover your eyes when Vicky shoots you so she can't hypnotize you. All right, Wheel? AnimaCars, let's go!
Hey, don't cover your eyes. That's not fair.
It works.
Hey, little elephant, look what I've got for you. A delicious banana.
Don't look, Wheelifant. It's a trap. Oh no! Wheelifant, I need to get that gun away from Vicky. That's right! The frisbee! Good idea, Torch. Huh?
No! My hypno blaster!
Ha! Touche! Whoops, I think we broke it. Maybe we should do something about it. But first... What a wonderful assistant you got here, Katie.
She's already done. Maybe I should give her the antidote now.
Yes, I think so. She may understand the lesson for today.
Where am I? What is this?
Just a lemon smoothie with my special ingredient. A lot of mint.
Yeah, mint!
Nora, do you want to see the trick I taught Torch?
Yes, sure.
How cool! Good boy. Get out! Well, look who's here. Looks like the anima fools are angry. So, let's raise the level of the discussion. What are you doing? Stop right there, Vicky. See you, Johnny. Johnny, you have to get Vicky's gut to get the AnimaCars back to normal. You're right. This is Vicky's fault, and I'm not gonna let her escape. AnimaCars, we need the help of Tigears. Tigers, we need your help. Vicky has done this. We need her gun. Over there. Watch out! That way! No way! We'll have to deal with them first. Nora, we We need to stop Torch and Krusty from fighting. Do you have any ideas?
We have to get their attention to make them stop.
You're right. Krusty, Torch, stop! Nora, Tiger, watch out! It didn't work. I know how we can get their attention. Vicky has done this to you, but don't worry. We'll sort it out. Stay here with Nora and don't fight until we get back. Where's Vicky? I think we're gonna need some help to find Vicky. And I know the perfect AnimaCars for that task. AnimaCars, we need the help of Meagle. Meagle, we need your help to find Vicky in the city. Can you do it? There's one of those animal fools. I'd better go before Jonny arrives. Oh, please, this has to be a joke. Don't let her escape, Tigers. Very good, Meagle. Let's take the gun. And now, let's help Torch and Krusty. Guys, we have Vicky's gun. Bullseye! Good! Yeah! I hope you know what you're supposed to do. Clean up the city.
No way. All right.